Out of all the parkings, forward parking is the easiest one to correct. One mistake most drivers make while trying to correct this is that Hello everyone, this is Harminder Suri from Toronto Drivers. Today I'm going to show you how to correct forward parking. Trust me, out of all the parkings, forward parking is the easiest one to correct.
Really?
Yes, it is the easiest one. One mistake most drivers make while trying to correct this is that they start to steer the wheel while they are backing up. While it is okay for an experienced driver to do this, it kind of throws new drivers off, especially when they are being judged by the examiner on the test. So, the easy way would be to straighten out your wheel and drive back straight. If you have any confusion about straightening out the wheel, then you can watch my video on how to straighten out the wheel. So, straighten out the wheel and reverse straight slowly. And while you're reversing, make sure you keep checking your rear mirror and around you for cars and pedestrians. You want to stop when you see about 1/4 of the line. This gives you enough room to correct the parking. When you're reversing, it may seem that you're going too far back, but trust me, you still have enough space at the back. Having said that, you still want to be careful when reversing. And once you see 1/4 of the line, you want to stop and start driving forward. You want to eyeball the spot and try to fit your car between the two lines of the spot, just like this. Now it is hard to tell how much exactly you should steer the wheel because it totally depends on the angle of your car and how far or close you are from the line. But trust me, if you're good at driving straight, then fixing this won't at all be a problem for you. Now you probably want to ask if this method will work when you drive in crooked into the spot. The answer is yes and no. If you're slightly crooked, then this method will still work. But if you're too crooked, then I would suggest you try to straighten out the car first and then try to fix it. But hey, since you have been watching all my parking videos, it shouldn't come to that. You should have become a pro parker by now. That actually sounds like a name. My name is Mr. Parker, Mr. Pro Parker, or Miss Pro Parker. Wow, it would actually be a funny name if someone has it. So that's that about correcting forward parking. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get notification about the new videos. And crush the like button like always. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again next Friday. Ciao.